No. What I'm asking is have you provided this committee with a hard copy? It's already what?
On the way here, Mr. Chair.
And you're telling us that on the way pa lang sila. You're wasting our time. Approve kayo ng approve ng mga korporasyon. Ang dami yung failure, SEC. Bringing all those documents here, right now, failure na naman kayo. Ayusin nyo yung departamento nyo. So, the 402 illegal POGOs that were identified by the PAOK TF and I think the 78 legitimate, which now will also be banned, are already out. So, we have all the list of the chairpersons. So, ako na ba una, partner? Ako na. Okay, magandang tanghali po sa ating lahat. Ang pagbabawal ni Pangulong Marcos sa operasyon ng POGO ay isang bagay na ikinagagalak ng ating mga mamamayan. Bagamat apektado nito ang mga legal operators o ang tinutukoy ng PAGCOR na internet gaming licensees, nariyan pa rin ang mga tinatawag nating mga canceled or wrapped POGOs na ayon sa PAOK ay humigit 400 kumpanya. Bukod sa mga illegal na POGO, naitala rin ng PAGCOR na may halos 8,000 illegal na website at social media sites na nag-ooperate ng online gaming. Bukod sa mga krimen na dulot ng mga POGO, nakita rin natin kung paano nila nalulusutan at napapaikot ang ating mga ahensya gaya ng pag-file ng peking registration of live birth, paggamit ng peking mga incorporator at stockholder ng mga kumpanya, ang hindi pagdedeklara ng tamang income sa BIR at marami pang iba. Dapat nating alamin sino ba ang mga boss ng mga organized criminal syndicates na ito at sino ang mga protector nila. If I may, Congressman Luistro, so what is the content of the executive session with regards to the illegal POGOs? Because it's all over our, I mean it's all over the news, you know, the list of the illegal POGOs. Because we have already 402 illegal POGOs, and this I think and I believe was already been given to a lot of the different members of this committee, and I think also to the media. So the 402 illegal POGOs that were identified by the PAOK TF and I think the 78 legitimate, which now will also be banned, are already out. So we have all the list. So if we're going to have an executive session, what particular issue are we going to tackle?
Mr. Chair, that is just making a reference to the statement that was made during the last hearing. But nevertheless, if our intention is to pursue with the investigation, hold accountable the people who are responsible for the crimes committed, the POGO-related criminalities, then I suppose that I should push the motion for the issuance of subpoena duces tecum, particularly the articles of incorporation and the general information sheet of the companies which are listed as illegal POGOs.
Correct. And we have asked the Security and Exchange Commission and also the SEC to provide us with all those articles of incorporation, no, of all those mentioned, no, na mga illegal the illegal POGOs.
Mr. Chair.
Andito po ang SEC. SEC, have you provided us with all the list that Congresswoman Luistro were asking in the last hearing? Please open your mic, please. SEC,
Chair,
please reply.
we have provided we have also provided the soft copy, Your Honor. We are updating the Google Docs. We provided the committees, and the hard copies are underway, Chair.
You have provided us with what?
The soft copy initially, Your Honor,
To the COMSEC?
to the committees, yes. have
COMSEC? No, we were, SEC, we're talking about the 402 illegal POGOs,
Yes, Your Honor.
So
We
you have
are-
submitted to us?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And we're updating the Google Docs because it's The 400 is not yet. I think it's just about 250.
Okay, wait. The COMSEC is hereby directed to reply to the answer of the Security and Exchange Commission.
Mr. Chair, the SEC sent us an email with attached Google Drive link. We requested access, so we have not been able to check the contents of that Google Drive, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
From the horse's mouth. So, hindi nyo pa binibigyan ng access para makita namin yung sinend ninyo. But, yeah, sige, go ahead.
Mr. Chair, we gave access to the official accounts of the committee. If personal accounts would be used to access this link, may we request the secretary to provide us with the names of the accounts which will be accessing the drive so we can grant them access to these files, Mr. Chair.
Pero you haven't bring any hard copy of the requested
It's
documents. No. What I'm asking is, have you provided this committee with a hard copy? 402 corporations lang naman yan eh. Have you provided us?
Mr. Chair, it's already on the way. We will be providing
It's
it
already what?
on the way here, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
July 17, when we asked you to give us the documents pertaining to the request of Congresswoman Luistro, and you're telling us that on the way pa lang sila, those voluminous documents that you will be submitting us will be given also to the members. How can we check all these documents kung dadalhin on the way pa lang siya ngayon during the hearing? You're wasting our time, SEC. Ha?
Mr. Chair.
Hindi na nga po responsable yung pagbibigay niyo ng mga different ng approval sa mga different corporations eh. Actually, yun ang napapag-usapan natin sa Committee on Accounts, sa Committee on Dangerous Drugs, sa Committee on Public Order. Because approve kayo ng approve ng mga corporations. Di ba? Yung GIS, napapalitan every month, pwedeng palitan. Yung iba nagpapalit at the end of the year na lang. Ang dami yung failure, SEC. And bringing all those documents here, right now, failure na naman kayo. Please, ayusin nyo yung departamento nyo.
Mr. Chair, just an inquiry with the indulgence of Congresswoman Luistro. This is germane to her
Yes,
request, Mr.
well,
Chair.
anyway, before I acknowledge the recognized Congressman Adjong, please sa SEC kasi we need to reform, no? Nakita namin yung pagkakamali dito sa nangyayaring ito, yung pag-approve nyo ng pag-approve ng mga iba't ibang korporasyon, doon tayo nagkaroon ng failure eh. Isa yan sa mga naging failure. Di ba? Even do sa mga...
Transmitted are 25 companies lang.
O see? Yes, exactly. So on the way pa raw yung 475. Ay yung 375. 25 pa lang yung submitted nyo. Di ba? 25? Comsec, can you please answer back, please? Para hindi ako nagsasalita, kayo mismo na we are tasking them to collect all these documents. And to the resource speakers, may this be a reminder na kapag humingi po kami ng mga dokumento, dapat at least 3 days man lang mabigay nyo na sa committee. Kasi hindi naman po kami hindi po kami Superman. Pinag-aaralan din po namin yan. Give us time to study it. After all, this is for all of us. Hindi lang naman sa amin to eh. We can suggest to the SEC what to do. Pero it's suggestion based on what we have studied. Sana magkaroon po tayo ng kooperasyon because the President is specifically stated, di ba? Mahalin natin ang mga Pilipino, mahalin natin ang Pilipinas. Sige, Comsec.
On the part of the Committee on Games and Amusements, 25 companies, the documents of the 25 companies were emailed to the committee.
Ay, nako. Sige, anyway,
Just an
Mr. Chair,
inquiry.
would like to acknowledge the presence of Congressman Representative Crispin Diego Ping Remulla, the Vice Chair from the 7th District of Cavite. Congressman Gomez, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. On the same line, also with regards to our executive session, I remember 2 things, no? Pinag-uusapan natin, Mr. Chair, na yung illegal pogos, there are about mga 43 according to Yusek Cruz. Tama po ba? That's 43. Hindi, yung 43 na existing na lang, sorry, yung license na 43.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
On the second note, Mr. Chair, the reason na importante yung ating executive session kasi ang magiging worry ngayon is baka yung 43 biglang dumami na yun, yung Pogo nilipat sa IGL. So I think we should check on our list kung yung 43 na yun, still 43. Baka yung dating Pogo nilipat sa IGL, naging mas marami.